So if your OpenRun Pro 2 Mini feels not loud enough or you're getting low volume, even sound is set to maximum, this video will show you a few tricks to boost it and also will show you how to create the best equalizer settings to get a clearer sound. So first, just make sure volume on your paired device is set to maximum. It's a simple step, very basic, but it's easy to overlook. Now, if you're using an iPhone, just open settings after that. Scroll down to sounds and haptics, then go to headphone safety. If it's turned on, you can just go ahead and turn it off. And right after that, you'll notice that you can raise the volume higher than before. If you're using an Android, worry not. From settings, just search for media volume limit. If anything of that sort is on your device and it's turned on, just turn it off. And like before, also turn the volume up. This process alone should boost the sound of your OpenRun. Now, if you're still not kind of getting that kick that you were looking for that you need the Shokz app. So make sure your OpenRun is connected to the app. Now, from the app dashboard, as you can see, you can switch from standard to bass boost, or even volume boost. Now, if that's not even enough for you, just tap on this plus icon. And here you can design a custom sound for yourself. Like you can turn the bass or 125 Hz a little higher like this. And then in treble, make the 10 kHz a little higher than bass. And then keep the 3 kHz section higher but lower than the last two. And finally, set the 400 and 1.2 kHz slightly lower than their default range. And after that, to save this equalizer, just name it and then tap on Save Updates. This will be added to your list of preset EQ lists, and you can keep listening to music on this specific mode. And apart from that, always make sure your OpenRun is updated to the latest firmware. Lastly, we're going to suggest you 2 simple things. First, whenever possible for you, just grab your headphones. There are 4 sets of speakers on your headphone. Make sure these grills, they are not blocked with any dust, debris, sweat, or moist. Just clean it whenever you can. And since it's a bone conduction headphone, make sure you're wearing it properly. We have a detailed video on that. If you want, you can just go ahead and watch it. Hope this video could make your OpenRun Pro 2 Mini way louder than before. Thanks for watching.